What is going on, guys? And today we're going to be removing the airbox on the S65 engine. Particular car is 2012 E93 M3. Also, I'm going to show you how to remove the coils. It's going to be also a separate video, short video. And let's get into it. For that, we're going to need a couple tools, which is the T20 at the front, flat head for the clamps from the plenum to the airbox. That little gasket squeeze out, and then pull it out the housing in there, and 2 10 mils, which is right at the side of the panel. I'm starting at the front, which is the 2 T20s. It's not necessary to remove the front panel, but it's easier down the road to basically slide it out this piece, and it's going to be much easier to remove the housing from the plenum to the airbox. Then 2 flathead. The next step is going to be undo that little housing here, which is going to the secondary air pump, I think. And basically there is a squeeze from the top and the bottom and push it out. So since that is out of the way, I like to undo these 2 10 mils. Just remove the bolt, because whenever you lift it, there is a chance the bolt can drop down. Next step is going to be to lift it from the side of the where the bolts were. Also, you can pop it up the wire, which is going to the latches. Pretty much the last step is going to be just to lift the side whenever the bolts were and just pop it out the airbox. That step could be a little bit complicated, but nothing crazy. All set, and basically this is how to remove the airbox from the S65 engine. After you did what you need, installing that bastard back, it's not going to be quite a challenge, but there are going to be a couple of things we're going to need to consider. And the first of them was, why did we actually undone that clamp here and did not remove the whole construction? In that case, you can twist the connector here a little bit, just enough to slide the airbox in. I like to keep the plastic tool in terms of just pop that gasket back or connector. That's it. Make sure we are seated correctly. Just fish your hand underneath and feel it. The actual connector is on the right position. Also make sure the airbox is sitting correctly. There are 2 rubber pins underneath. So basically you have to just lay it down the airbox onto them just correct way, the one way. And pretty much that's it. You can type it up the clamps. First one. Okay, nice and snug, tight. Now we can reconnect the line here. And then we need to pop our bolts back. And the last piece, which is the breather to the front, connect it here first. Then make sure it slides into it. These 2 pieces kind of connected together, because you're gonna undo these 2 pins. You're gonna be able to slide it out the front nozzle. There are 2 kind of windows, and they go on inside of the frame here. That's it, guys. And pretty much that's it, guys. That's how easy it was to remove and install the airbox from the S65 or on the S65. Particular car, the M3 E93. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you next one.